The Exo BackPlate is for creatives who live life on the edge without a phone case. It attaches super seamlessly to the back of your phone via the magsafe mount, but it also contours the lenses pretty tightly and has a 3M micro suction on the back to hold it in place nice and firmly. This thing feels really good in your hand with the edges just inside the outer frame, so it basically just feels like you're holding the naked phone on its own. A really nice, really minimalist feel. It's got the LiteChaser quick swap system, so you can quickly change between your Defender, your filters, or your lenses in an instant without having to thread. The Exo BackPlate does include the flip down Defender here, which is upgraded over last year, because last year you had to take the entire thing off to take a picture, but now you can protect your lenses from cracks, drops, etc., and then quickly flip this thing down when you want to grab a quick shot. It's also translucent, so when you're trying to use your flashlight at night, you can kind of see through it. Unless it's really dark, you can flip this thing down and get the full brightness of your flashlight. And bonus tip, the Defender acts as an impromptu kickstand here, so you can set your phone just like this, and you can watch all your favorite YouTube videos, especially the ones of me explaining all the great PolarPro products and ecosystems available. The Exo also has a magsafe array built in back here, perfect for wallets, but this is not going to accept a wireless charge because this is a full aluminum piece right here to keep it nice and smooth, just like the back of your iPhone. But it's super easy to take off when you need to put this into your nighttime stand if you're charging at night, or your car mount, whatever you're doing that needs a wireless charge. Add the Exo and a few of your favorite lenses to your kit for the absolute most minimalist setup for the iPhone 16.